Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking to brighten up your eyes a little bit in one easy step, I want to show you this Thrive Causemetics Brilliant Eye Brightener, and this is the color Stella, which is like a nice shimmery champagne color. And I really like it because I am not good with makeup, so I need things that are very simple that do an effective job and I don't have to work hard at all. So this is great because all you need to do is take the cap off. You have this retractable, kind of like a crayon, and you can very simply place it into the corner of your eyes or right along under your eyebrow, and it just kind of opens everything up, makes your eyes look a lot bigger, a lot brighter, maybe less tired. So that's a really great feature. It also is neat because it comes with its own little built-in sharpener, so you can just pop that off if you need to sharpen it up. But I have been so happy with this product. I really do think it makes a big difference in how my eyes look. They look a lot brighter, I look more awake, and it literally takes no time and no effort. So I'm a big fan of that, and that is my point of view.